Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Hyundai Accent door handle. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. You will also need your new replacement door handle. Make sure you have a clear and well-lit area to work in, as some parts can be small and tricky to handle. This preparation will make the entire process much smoother. Next, we'll focus on removing the old handle. Begin by gently prying off the interior door panel with your trim removal tool, starting from the bottom edge. Once the panel is loose, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors for power windows or locks and detach the door cables. You'll then find 2 or 3 mounting bolts securing the handle. Unscrew these to free the old unit. Now it's time to install your new door handle. Carefully slide the new handle into the opening, ensuring it aligns correctly with the mounting points. Reinsert and tighten the 2 or 3 mounting screws you removed earlier, making sure the handle is firmly in place. Then, reattach all the door cables and reconnect any electrical wiring, ensuring everything clicks securely into position. For the final steps, carefully reattach the interior door panel, aligning all the clips and pressing firmly until it's secure. Before closing everything up, thoroughly test the new door handle from both the inside and outside to ensure it operates smoothly and latches correctly. This confirms your repair is successful. Also, remember to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.